Today, we are going to show you how easy it is to create and order a personalized glass cutting board. Visit our website at www.ormsprintroom.co.za. It is essential to firstly register an account before starting your project. Click on My Account. This will open the option to log in or register. Fill in your email address and a password in the Register section. Then click on Register. I am going to choose to log in because I have already registered an account. On the left, you will find your account options. This is where you will access your saved projects in future to edit them or reorder completed projects. Now you can click on the Photo Gifts tab and then click on Glass Cutting Boards in the drop-down menu. Our cutting boards have a textured surface and are made from toughened glass, which makes them hard-wearing and heat-proof. The board measures 40 cm by 30 cm and is supplied with 4 anti-slip rubber feet. Click on Create Yours Online. Please give your project a name by clicking on the pen icon at the top of the design workspace. Now you will need to add your images you would like to use in your design. Click on Computer and select the images you would like to use. Please note, you have full creative control to personalize your cutting board as you wish. The design opens with a template as an example. You can use any of the artwork elements available on the left sidebar as part of your design, or make use of your own images. To edit your layout, you can move around the existing image boxes. You can add, remove, rotate, reposition, or change the size of your image boxes. Then simply drag and drop your images into the image boxes. Click on the center of the image boxes for additional editing options. You can move around your image in the image box or zoom in or out to crop it. There are rotation or flipping options and the option to change your image opacity, as well as some photo effects that can be applied to your images. Click on the Layout button, which allows you to easily shuffle your layout into different formats. I am going to add some text to my background image. Firstly, I am going to add a shape to overlay it on. Then change the color to white. Text can be added by clicking on the Add Text button on the right of the design space. Now you can type or copy and paste your text into the box and format it as desired. I am clicking on the white overlay I created and changing the opacity so the background image is visible behind it. When you have finalized your designs, click on the Preview button to check them. And when you are ready, click on Order. You can now go and create additional items to add to your cart, or you can choose to check out now. In the shopping cart, you can order multiple copies of your design. If you have a voucher code, it can be applied now. If you would like us to ship your order to you, you can now calculate the shipping fee by adding your delivery address. Your courier fee will now be listed, or you will have the option to change it to a store collection. You can now proceed to the checkout. Please fill in your billing details, and it is important to list a cell phone number and address. These details will not need to be filled in again in future, but can be edited if they change. You have the option to ship to an alternative address. Unclick this if you do not require it. A summary of your order will appear at the bottom of the page. Review your details and click on Proceed. You will now make your payment. Choose to pay by card or secure instant EFT. After payment, you will get prompted that your order has been received with the details of your order and your order number. You will also receive an email with a summary of your order details. Now you can sit back, relax, and our team will do the rest. We will be in touch as soon as your order is ready for collection or delivery.